2. So we've got our first step is to identify variables in our expressions, and both expressions include the variable b. Now our second step is to simplify one of these sides or one of the expressions to 0. I always like to choose the side that has the least amount of things, and this side is probably the easier side. So this is the 0 side, this is the side that's the variable side, so now I'm going to subtract the entire side from itself. So you can see I've subtracted negative 68 plus 32b from both the right expression and the left expression. And now we know that the right expression is going to simplify to 0, and we don't need to simplify the left expression, so we can just bring that down. Now we can take our expression and type it into the graphing calculator. Back to expressions, I clear, I reset this, now I'm going to type it in. So I typed it in, and remember, everywhere I see a b, I'm actually having to use x because there's no b feature. Now we can move into step 4, which is to locate exactly where this line crosses the graph, the horizontal axis, sorry. So I'm going to zoom out because I don't see the line, so I'm zooming out, and I still do not see the line. So when I don't see the line, I'm going to use this trace feature, and the trace feature goes to where the line is. So the line is right here. I can't see the line because it looks like it's on top of the horizontal axis. So I'm tracing the line right now, and as I'm tracing the line, every x value, or our b value, is equaling 0. So what that means is every value for b creates or simplifies this left expression to equal 0. And so essentially what we have is a situation where our answer is all real numbers. But let's verify in the table. So you can see as soon as I hit the table, every x value has a y value of 0. So that means every b value that we plug into our expression is going to simplify to 0. So we can say that b equals all real numbers. And if I put that in set notation, then this is all I'm adding to it. So when we graph our line, here we have our horizontal axis. If the line is not viewable, and then we hit the trace feature, and the trace feature is tracing along the horizontal axis, that means that our line intersects at all the points on the horizontal axis. That's why we have all real numbers as our solution. That is very different than our previous example where we had the line only intersecting one place. If the line is on the line, that means it's intersecting in all places. That's why our answer, is all real numbers. Okay, here's our last example, and I'm sure you know what type